Hi there, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video, we're going to draw Annie LeBlanc. So let's get started. With Annie, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So right here, I'm going to start to draw like a very nice round curve right here. So it's kind of like the bottom of a U. And I'm going to go right across, it's about right here. And just make this nice round curve for her face. And connect it. Oops. There. A little bit wobbly. But it's okay. So there, we got that round curve in. And then from there, I'm going to come up, say about right here, a little off center. I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start to draw her hair. So right here, I'm going to draw a curve down. And I'm aiming towards this point right here. And so then from here, I'm going to go up a little bit for her other side and come down. And right here, I'm going to just curve it out. So once again, aiming for this point that I started and come out. So this is the basic shape of her face that we're trying to aim for. And from there, I'm going to come in this area right here where it's a little bit straighter, and I'm going to draw her eyes. So I'm going to start right here towards the edge and draw a circle. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And it's going to be towards the edge once again. And connect it. So then from there, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. And we come in here with two small circles inside for highlights, a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here, two small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. So thank you for all the requests to draw Annie here and introducing me to her. Sorry it took so long. I know you guys have been waiting so long for me to draw her. And thank you for the push to finally try it. Hope you guys love how it turned out. So the lines at the bottom. And from there, let's give her some lashes. So I'm going to come up here and just draw a curve out. So two curves. I'm going to come back here, thicken it up a little bit. And same thing on this side. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve out. And another one. And let's come up here and I'm going to draw her brow. So we're just going to come up here and just give her a soft brow. You come in here, thicken it up. And same thing on this side. And thicken it up. Okay, so we have that in. Now let's come about right here and I'm going to give her a smile. So it's going to be slightly up a little bit. Just very slight. Cap it off. And then if you want, you can add a little open mouth, just a tiny bit. I felt like she needed it. She has such a sweet smile. And just add a little curve at the bottom. So there, basically her face. And now let's draw her hair. So I'm going to come to this point right here. This is basically where her hair will part. And so I'm just going to kind of draw a curve. And about right here, let's make it nice and full. So about right there. And this is where I'm going to start to draw the top of her hair. And this is where it parts. I'm going to come up here and curve it down. Go up and curve it down. And so I'm just going to bring this around nice and full. Curve it in and out. So same thing on this side. Okay, so then from there, let's add some details right here. So I'm going to pop it up a little bit and bring it down. Oops. And same thing on this side. pop it up and bring it back in. And then you can just add some, lightly add some parting lines. It's always a little bit tougher with the Sharpie because it's kind of thick. Okay, so then from there, let's add some movement to her hair. So I'm gonna come about right here, just add a curve in, and same thing on this side. So about right here, just frame her face. And so before we finish off her hair, let's go and draw her body first. So I'm gonna come in the center area right here and give her a little neck. So about right here, just give her a tiny little neck. And from there, I'm going to draw her shoulders. And from there, I'm going to imagine her armpits are about, say, right here. I'm just give myself 2 points. And I'm going to draw an angle line down. So this is the beginning of her body. So it just kind of helps me to gauge where to put everything. And from there, I'm going to come in here and draw a curve for her neckline and another curve for the collar of this dress. So the hardest part for me when I was trying to draw Annie was to figure out what kind of outfit to give her. So right here, let's connect it. So I'm giving her this sleeveless dress that she wears that I saw a picture of her. So in this area right here, we're going to add a little loop. So there's a little cutout right here in her dress. And from there, let's bring this line down a little bit more. So it's just a one piece, very simple dress that just goes down. And so then from there, I'm going to start to draw her hand first. So I'm going to come in here and just bring my angle down. So about right here, I'll start to bend it in. For her arm, and then come in here and I'm going to draw her hand. So it's just a nice simple thumb and fingers. And you can come in here and just draw 2 thin lines for the fingers. And so then from there, we can bring this dress down a little bit more. So flare it out a tiny bit more. And so it'll be the same thing on this side. Right there. Okay, so about that long, and from there I'm going to come in and just give it these curves. Give it some movement to this dress. And then from there I'm going to draw her other hand. So this hand is just kind of resting on the side and tucked behind. And I'm just going to bring it in. So about right there, just make sure about the same length and just tuck it in. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs. So we come to the center. So about, let's see, about right here. And I'm going to basically draw a straight line down. And I'm going to come to the sides right here and angle her legs in. So it's just standing very straight. Bring this down a little bit more. Let's give her some long, long legs. So we're tapering as we go down. So then say about right there, I'm going to cap it off. And bring this down a little bit more for her boots that she wears. And connect it. Okay, so that's pretty simple for her legs right there. And so then from here, for some detail, she wears this little necklace. So I'm going to come in here very lightly, hopefully, and draw this necklace. Just the center, and then I'm just going to make it a heart. Because it's a draw so cute Annie, right? Okay, now for the rest of her gorgeous brown hair, wavy brown hair. I'm just going to bring it all the way down. And same thing on this side. And just tuck it right back. You can add as much detail or as little as you want. And you can add more details when you're coloring it. Makes it a little bit easier. So there, that's pretty much it for this Draw So Cute Annie LeBlanc. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.